Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use your voice to create a song on Suno. In order to do so, first off, here we are at suno.com and we're all logged in, and I am on a subscription, so I do have access to version 4. If you want to use version 4, you are going to need a subscription, but you could still create your own songs even if you are on the free plan. We're going to go ahead and select Create from the menu on the left-hand side. And what you're looking for is up at the top where it says Upload Audio. You can go ahead and select that. We'll agree to the terms. And then here you have two options. One, you can either drag and drop a file here, or select a file, or you can record audio directly to the Suno platform. If you want to drag and drop an audio file or select a file, then you can also do this using your favorite digital audio workstation. And if you want to create your song there and then bring it over here, you can do that. One thing to keep in mind is that for the free subscription, you are limited to 1 minute of audio that you can upload. If you are on the subscription, then you can add up to 2 minutes. So the way that you would want to work that then is you want to be as efficient as possible. You want to sing as much of the song as you can, and then enter in your lyrics in the lyrics box, and the AI is going to have to figure out from your singing what the basic format of the song is. So let's just give an example here. I'll go ahead and just record something really quick. So we're going to go ahead and select Record Audio, and we're going to select Allow while visiting the site. So you can see now that it is picking up my voice, and we can go ahead and hit finish recording here. But we'll go ahead and do that, and you'll see here that we just want to cancel this out because that's not the singing that we wanted to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and sing a little tune here to give you an idea. So let's just go ahead and hit Record Audio. This is as good as it gets. This is as good as it gets. Check your expectations, try not to stress so. This is as good as it gets. Okay, so we'll just leave it at that. I did get a little bit of my voice there at the end, so look at that. We can go ahead and just trim a little bit off. And we can even hit play there if we want to test it. Let's just not do that. Saved trimmed audio. Now it is uploading. We can change the title here if we want, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it even adds a little image there, so we can go ahead and confirm and save. And now we have, if you see at the bottom here, this is what we have just uploaded. Now to turn this into a song, what we want to do is we want to click here where it says Extend. So we click that there, and now you'll see if we scroll down, it says that we're going to extend from 16 seconds. So that's how long the audio file is. It's 16 seconds, and basically we're going to extend from 16 seconds, and we're essentially going to turn it into a song from that point. So what we want to do is we're going to just add some details, and let's see here. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll just add some details, but we don't want to overthink this too much. In fact, I'll just pause really quick. Okay, so we won't go too crazy on the lyrics for now because this is just for demonstration purposes. And right here it's saying enter style of music. Well, I see this as kind of a jazz song, so let's go ahead and select jazz. There's another jazz option there, and we can just put in a few options here that might work with what we're doing. Let's see. Do we want to put a little bit of funk in there? Let's put a little bit. You know what? Let's just keep this very jazzy. Why not? Let's just keep this jazz because that is the idea for the song. We're going to add the title. And you can see that there's a few other options to consider. There's the custom here. If you want to just keep this very simple, then you can toggle that. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to lose my progress here. Also, you can turn this into an instrumental as well. But we're just going to keep this kind of simple. We've got some lyrics here. We've got the style of music. We've got this there. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and let's write with Suno. And we have it on the Remy lyrics model. I'm going to go ahead and put it on classic because sometimes I find Remy to be a little bit too strange with some of its output. So we want to keep it just kind of simple here. And we'll call this a jazz song let's see, called Better Than Ever. Now I wonder if it's going to use my lyrics that I put in there or if it's going to just override those. I guess we'll find out here. In fact, I'm just actually going to put that in the notes. Let's see if that helps. Use lyrics provided to write full song. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay. Well, it didn't take our lyrics from there. So let's try something here really quick. Let's just go ahead and let's pull our lyrics over. And we'll go ahead and we'll just put some quotation marks there. Try that out. Write lyrics. Okay, so that worked out this time. Okay, so that's quite nice. It did take my lyrics here and it just added some additional details. Let's see here. Okay, I think I like the second one a bit better because it did pull more from my lyrics there. So there you go. So now we have the lyrics here in our song, and I've given it some vocal input so that it has an idea of what it is that we're looking for. And now we're going to go ahead and click extend. And you'll see there that it just takes a few moments, and we've already got one that is more or less ready to go. Let's just give this a pause real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's all done. So let's go ahead and try out the first one, see what we've got here.
Yeah. This is as good as it gets. Check your expectations. Oh, try not to stress. Love's got a way to show. Morning light in your eyes, whispers of soft, sweet breeze. No need for disguise.
Okay, pretty awesome. Nice results. Let's go ahead and try part 2. So one thing to note about Suno is that it's always going to generate 2 options for you to consider. So that's quite nice, because if you don't really like one, then you always have the other one to take a look at. So let's go ahead and hit play on that.
This is as good as it gets. Check your expectations. Oh, try not to stress, love. Got a way to show.
Okay. They're both quite nice. I think I like the second one better because it does sound a bit more like my voice, I think. So that is something to consider there in terms of what kind of output you get. But that gives you an idea of what to expect from Suno and how it is that you can create your own song with your own vocal input. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.